is cold outside. I just got back inside from Menards and it's 40 degrees in my car, but the wind, anyway, that's just in my car, so, and it's had some time to heat up before I went in. So I did buy a couple things at Menards. Just wanted to check if they had anything new. I haven't been here in a while. I really didn't take any video of their everyday staples, their bucks, their CRKTs. They did have a minimalist for $22 CRKT, but I just didn't want to spend $22 when I got my $5 Walmart fixed blade. So that being said, plus there was an employee there and I didn't really want to draw suspicion. So I just want to show a couple of the things that I bought. And they had my orange mallet or hammer. I wanted an orange one. I didn't know the orange ones existed. I got the green one that you saw in my other videos at Walmart. But this orange one is definitely something I'm going to use and love and cherish. I went ahead and bought just one because I have a ton of the Walmart ones and they work great for me, but I bought it because of the name. Whether that means this is any good or not, I don't know. It's 20,000 milliamps and it was $10. I don't know how good it works. Last time I bought a power bank here, it was trash. I mean, it was cheap and it was probably like $5 or maybe 10, but it just did not work. It did not charge. It did not, yeah. That being said, I'm hoping this one works pretty decent. Totally unnecessary purchase as I use the ones that I already have, but that's okay because I'll probably use this one more if it works and give away my other ones to my family. There were a couple other things I thought were interesting. They had these flashlights for $4.99. 15 lumens out the front, 180 on the side. For day-to-day, everyday, you know, usage that is a non-tactical, non-survival situation. Well, tactical, I guess. I hope this is great. Again, it comes with a battery. What really got me was the single AA battery usage. I did buy a single AA flashlight at Daiso in Houston, or Fort Worth, Texas, and unfortunately it turned out to be trash. So, you know, a Japanese flashlight made in China, but you really can't say all Chinese things are trash because you got Riot knives, you got Civivi, Wii, and a ton of others. So, but I hope this one works pretty good. I may or may not check it out now because it's freaking cold and I'm hungry. Two more things. I think just two more things. Yeah. I also bought duplicates. I always seem to buy duplicates. When you see my 5 random knives videos, I will have duplicates. So they had this knife, which you saw in the earlier footage, 99 cents. I may just go ahead and open these knives. It's probably got the best steel comparable to S35V. No, just kidding. You know I am. 2CR. So don't make fun of Gerber. Because these are here. And anyway, we'll open that up. And then the other one I got was the, let's see, what is the blade shape on that? Yeah. I only bought it because I like the smallness of it. And then the other one was, I think, a spear point. Yeah. Again, 99 cents. Same quality steel. So, we'll check that out. I'll probably open these knives up real quick. So this one is a slip joint. And it feels relatively solid. So, you know, 5th pocket knife. Something just to open packages with. 99 cents, Menards. I'm not sure on this clip. Yeah, anyway, so there you go. And the other one One is also a slip joint. So, pretty solid, same thing, 99 cents, but, you know, a little bigger slip joint. Anyway, hold on, let me open this bad boy up again. There we go. Sharpening choil. It doesn't have any half stops, neither did the other one. A little bit of jimping on top, not that it really matters. But, you know, 99-cent knife. Is that pin construction? No, not that one. Guess not. Anyway, probably will be a long while before I come to Menards again, simply because I don't need any more knives. But I was really surprised, 99 cent, and I'm always willing to try 99-cent knives. Well, these are better than the Dollar Tree 99-cent folding knives, and the dollar used to be $1, now it's like $1.97 Walmart Ozark trail knife. So these are kind of cool, but again, I don't need any more knives. So these will probably make their way out to friends and family. Not right now because they're new, but once I get used to them. And of course I bought duplicates, so I won't tell you how many. But anyway, there you go. And that's another reason why I really kind of stopped wanting to buy expensive knives, because I'm not even using my expensive knives. So at least it's fun. It kind of satisfies that little bit of urge to buy a new knife. And you know, I've got my fixed blade that truly has changed the game for me when it comes to knives. And there you go. There you go. The end. So these are all metal frames. That's why I was saying they were solid. And this little one does not have any jimping. But yeah, all metal frame. So 99 cents, pretty hefty for what it is. Does it even matter if they're centered on slip joints? I mean, I don't think they're designed to be not centered. At the end, because I went ahead and opened up the flashlight, and just to show you kind of its features. So there's the 15 lumen flashlight. It seems pretty bright for 15 lumens, but it also has the strobe, and then the headlamp, or the area lamp. So $4.99 at Menards. And of course, I don't make money promoting this. I just thought it was cool and I wanted to share it with you. Heated up to 55 degrees in the car, so there you go. I got this thermometer at Walmart for like $5 too, in the home hardware section thingy.